beautiful people. Today I'm thrilled to show you these stunning golden heart earrings. Look at these beauties. Crafted with love, these earrings are so shiny. They're perfect for any occasion, whether it's a day out with friends or a special evening. These golden hearts are more than just jewelry. They're a statement of style, elegance, and love. You can wear them as it is, or you can just remove the heart pendant and they become big huggy earrings. Two looks in one. So if you want to add a touch of glamour to your look, these earrings are waiting for you. Grab yours and let your heart shine. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.